Hello, my name is Umar. Today I'm showcasing a project. This is like a website, publisher, a portal, you can say a knowledge hub of experts in the field of AI, machine learning, quantum computing, things like that. So this showcase basically demonstrates the ability to a specific business case and then design an architecture around it, and what kind of unique learnings and unique insights that I can share while demonstrating my personal skills. So there are four. The first is basically talking about the strategy, understanding the niche requirements, and then therefore design, laying out the architectural design, how or what kind of decisions dictate architectural design, and what the stakeholder needs to understand. This is also business users and decision makers who can therefore understand what kind of decisions dictate an architecture. The second part of the video is on what is the difference between a database and a warehouse in applications. What is like the cost differential? What is the decisions that you need to make, and who can design? Does anybody can work on both? The third is basically curating data. We had to kind of like report news and report insights and give recommendations to people who are coming onto the portal and stuff. So that kind of requires LLMs and all of those intelligence, fine, yes, but also human intervention of curating data. Now that curation needs to happen from an analyst and a business user. Now that person might not have a skills. So we used a tool called Retool, but there are alternatives is like Airtable and other things as well, which are no code or low code platforms in which you can design applications. And so we use Retool to our satisfaction. And then so there's going to be a demo on that. And then fourth is basically how do you design something that is not fully thought out or charted out. Basically, how do you build for future, and what a decision maker can make these head or tail out of this. So these are complex topics that have their own sections. So excited to get started. The ideal audience for this video is a person who makes decisions, even though if does not enact those decisions themselves. However, practitioners can also watch this, and see you in the next video. Thank you.